In the world of technology, there is one device that defies every trend. While phones are getting bigger, laptops are getting thinner. There is a small, powerful ghost that haunts the Apple line. The device that Apple often forgets. The fans, the pilots, the doctors, the gamers, and the techno nomads refuse to let die. I'm talking about the iPad mini. As we see here in 2026, the era of the forgotten mini is officially over. The whispers from the supply chain have turned into a full-blown roar. And what they are describing isn't just a minor refresh. We are talking about the iPad mini 8. This is the moment where the smallest iPad finally becomes the Pocket Pro we've been dreaming of for a decade. Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff and diving into the most controversial high-stakes leaks of the year. From a 120Hz OLED display to the A19 Pro silicon and the shocking rumor of waterproof hulls behind. If you think you know what a small tablet is capable of, get ready to have your perspective shifted, as the iPad mini 8 is about to rewrite the rules of mobile compute. Why are we so obsessed with the mini 8? Because for the first time in history, a compact form factor is gaining the flagship treatment. For years, the mini was the hand-me-down iPad, getting the older chips and the leftover screens. In 2026, Apple will have a Pebble. They've launched Apple Intelligence, and they've realized that to make AI work in your pocket, you need raw, unadulterated power. The leaks coming out of Cupertino suggest that Apple is skipping the base-level chips and dropping the A19 Pro directly into the Mini 8. This is the same 2nm monster found in the iPhone 17 Pro. We are talking about a performance boost of nearly 30% over the previous generation, with a GPU that handles hardware ray tracing as if it were a high-end gaming console. Imagine playing Resident Evil or the latest AAA titles on a device you can hold with one hand, without a single frame drop. This isn't just a tablet anymore. It's a portable powerhouse that makes the iPad Air more slow. The power is nothing without a display that can keep up, and this is where the Mini 8 is set to break the engine in. The biggest complaint about the iPad mini has always been the screen, the jelly scribbling, the 60Hz limit, the LCD blacks. But the 2026 reports are unanimous. The OLED revolution has finally arrived for this small screen. We are looking at an 8.3-inch tandem OLED display, and just standard OLED. It's the dual-stack technology from the iPad Pro that delivers absolute blacks and a peak brightness of nearly 1,600 nits at the real gear. ProMotion. Yes, after years of cleaning, the Mini 8 is rumored to finally feature a 120Hz refresh rate. This solves the jelly scrolling issue forever and makes every swipe, every scroll, and every stroke of the Apple Pencil feel like silk. It turns the Mini from a consumption device into a pro tool for artists and designers who need precision on the go. Let's talk about the design because Apple is reportedly getting bold. The chassis of the Mini 8 is expected to maintain its iconic footprint, that with a refined, ultra-slim bezel that might push the screen size to 8.7 inches without making the device any larger. But the leak that has everyone talking is the IP68 rating. There are credible reports that Apple has redesigned the internal speaker system and the USB-C port to make the iPad mini 8 the